Why we should focus more on building systems than setting goals. What is identity-based change versus outcome-based change? What is the 1% rule? Let's find out together in this video. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ronal and I'm a software engineer by profession. Outside work hours, I'm also a classical pianist, a singer, and a close-up magic hobbyist. On this channel, I strive to help students and young adults like myself to streamline their workflows, become more productive, optimize their performances, and lead happier, successful lives. If you enjoy the vibe and ambience here, do consider subscribing. Let us do very simple maths. Let's say you improve by 1% every day. Right? Over a year, your appreciated value would be 1 plus 0.01 whole to the power of 365, which gives approximately 37, meaning you would be 37 times better than when you first started. On the other hand, if you depreciate by 1% every day, then at the end of 1 year, your depreciated value reaches almost 0. The important thing to note is that time is in the exponent term in the formula. So time magnifies the difference between success and failure. So the trick is to improve a little every day and let time and compounding do its magic for you. You have to get used to the idea of delayed outcomes, where you first start on something, you will not see much tangible results. So you have to be in the valley of disappointment. After you cross that threshold, then you will start seeing compounded results and tangible improvements. Next, I will talk about why goals are not important. If you think about it, winners and losers have the same goals, right? Everybody wants to be successful. So what sets them apart? The answer is systems. You do not rise to the level of your goals, but in fact you fall to the level of your systems. When you fall in love with the process rather than the product, then you can choose to be happy anytime you want. If you are very goal-oriented, then you will choose to be happy only when you attain the goal, at which point you will choose another goal, right? So you will never be happy in the long run. Whereas if you focus on systems and improve a little every day, then you can be happy at any time your system is running. And your system can be successful in many forms, not just the one you first envision when you start doing something. It is also important to talk about the layers of change. Right, so basically there are 3 layers of change. The outermost is called the outcomes-based change. The layer inside that is the process-based change. And the innermost is the identity-based change. True behavior change is only identity change. You may start a habit because of external motivation or looking at the goal ahead, but the only reason you will choose to stick with it is if it becomes a part of your identity and you enjoy the process. Positive examples of this: you don't want to read more, but you want to become an avid reader, right? You don't want to learn an instrument to impress your friends and family, but in fact you want to become a musician. Right? You don't want to run a marathon, you want to become a runner, right? These are identity-based changes. These can also have a negative impact, like saying I'm horrible at maths or I'm not good with technology, that's not who I am, right? They also define your identity. So in the initial stages, if you say that a lot, then it becomes a part of your identity and it becomes very hard to change later on. I hope you took something from this video, the importance of building systems and forming good habits and letting them compound for the rest of your life. If you want to read in detail about these, then you can read the book Atomic Habits by James Clear, one of my favorite non-fiction books. Don't forget to like the video to help the algorithm find this video and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this as well. Do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.